If you're looking to boost the flavor of your sauces, stocks, braised dishes, and soups, you have to use my sofrito. Let's start by finely chopping our onions. And a good trick when you're chopping onions is to leave the skin on the back of the onion to use it as a handle. Cut perpendicular slices in a sunburst pattern along your onion. And then very finely make parallel slices to get very small pieces of onion. Set the onion aside and peel and chop your carrot. Here's my hack for getting a very finely chopped carrot. Leave the top of the carrot intact and slice vertically down the center of the carrot, making a few slices. Then flip your carrot over so the cut side is facing forward. Make 3 or 4 more slices down your carrot. You now have a perfect grid of strips of carrot, and all you have to do is slice from the end and move your way back. I'm using the same process on my celery. Keeping the end intact holds everything together and makes the pieces easier to chop. And then chop into fine pieces. Add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil to your pot and set the heat to medium-high. Once the olive oil starts to glisten, add in your vegetables. While the vegetables are sauteing, finely chop your garlic. I'm using 1 large clove, but feel free to use as much or as little as you like. You can also add in herbs like rosemary or bay leaf. Add a few pinches of salt to the vegetables to help them release their liquids. Now that the vegetables are almost cooked through, we're going to add in the garlic. Give that about 30 seconds. We don't want it to burn. And that's your sofrito done. If you're looking for a great recipe to use your sofrito, why not try my pasta ceci? It will change your mind on chickpeas. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe because I come out with a new video every single week. See you next time.